gonna be workout people after work. So the problem really there, we need to go. So let's make my body say hi to my vlog now. Hello guys. Where you from? I'm from Pampanga. Oh, it's from Pampanga eh. Oh, Pampanga. Oh, I see. Yeah, so you're relative man.
Hi, from Saglit.
So, Tagpite.
Sir Nalban.
Okay, this is our workout here after our job eh. We have to clean our vehicle. Check my truck there. So, tingnan mo, maganda yung factor niya oh. Hunda. Okay, check that out guys. Let's do that. Check that out. Daming snow. So ngayong snow guys, medyo matinding snow ngayon dito oh. Nasa 5 cm. Yeah, kagabi nag-snow like from 9 o'clock until just now. We just stopped. So we gotta too hard man. Hey, Canada boy. See guys. Hey, people going there now. That's why we're there. Check that out. Crazy. I give you some halo there. Okay, see you man. So, nilinisan ko yung sakyan guys. Kasi pagdating sa bahay, baka i-shovel ko naman doon. So linisan natin dito para pagdating sa bahay hindi na marumi yung bahay ko doon. Whew. Grabe. Can't even see man. See you in the road. Tingnan natin kung hindi naman gaano ka-work ang road. Kasi may tagalinis dito eh. Okay guys. See you guys there. Bye-bye everybody.